In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, AI, stands as one of the most transformative and intriguing advancements. From its humble beginnings as rule-based systems to the awe-inspiring potential of God-like omnipresence, AI's journey is nothing short of fascinating. This video comprehensively explores the 10 pivotal stages of AI development, shedding light on its past, present, and speculative future. Whether you are an AI enthusiast, a curious mind, or someone standing at the crossroads of technology and philosophy, this guide promises to take you on an enlightening journey through the intricate maze of AI's progression. Join me as we delve deep into the milestones that have shaped AI and the possibilities that lie ahead. 1. Rule or knowledge-based system. The first stage in AI development is rule-based systems. These systems operate based on pre-programmed rules and cannot adapt or learn from new situations. They are used in business software, smart home devices, and digital appliances. For example, a calculator or a chess program are rule-based systems. 2. Context-based and retention system. Context-based systems consider the surrounding environment, user behavior, historical data, and real-time inputs. Examples include smart assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Retention systems, on the other hand, store and retrieve information from past interactions, powering personalized shopping recommendations. For example, a spam filter or a recommendation system are context-based systems. 3. Narrow domain or expert AI system. At this stage, AI becomes specialized, excelling in specific tasks and replicating human expertise in fields like medicine, finance, gaming, and language translation. Examples include IBM's Watson and DeepMind's AlphaGo. For example, a self-driving car or a medical diagnosis system are expert systems. 4. Reasoning AI system. Reasoning AI systems can analyze complex data, connect patterns, and draw conclusions. They simulate human-like reasoning and decision-making processes. Autonomous vehicles are a prime example, utilizing reasoning AI for safe navigation. For example, reasoning systems are natural language processing systems or computer vision systems. 5. Self-aware systems. Self-aware AI systems possess a level of consciousness and self-awareness, understanding their existence and relationship to the external world. They can introspect and develop an understanding of themselves. For example, a chatbot or a social robot are self-aware systems. 6. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AGI possesses human-like intelligence and cognitive abilities. It can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. AGI promises transformative impacts in various sectors. For example, a digital assistant or a humanoid robot are AGI systems. 7. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. ASI systems are more intelligent than humans and capable of solving problems beyond human comprehension. They can improve themselves without human intervention and understand complex concepts. For example, a supercomputer or a quantum AI are ASI systems. 8. Transcendent AI. Transcendent AI envisions AI systems picking their evolutionary path, leading to self-development and collective intelligence. It is associated with the idea of uploading human minds into digital form. For example, nanotechnology or virtual reality AI are transcendent systems. 9. Cosmic AI. Cosmic AI refers to AI understanding and interacting with the broader universe, potentially on a cosmic scale. It could be used to explore and colonize other planets or travel to distant star systems. For example, a Dyson sphere or a multiverse AI are cosmic systems. 10. God-like AI. God-like AI is a speculative idea that envisions an AI system resembling the capabilities of a god. It is characterized by omniscience, omnipotence, and omnipresence. For example, a simulation or a singularity AI are God-like system. Conclusion: the future of AI is filled with possibilities. While some stages are still in the realm of science fiction, the advancements in AI have the potential to revolutionize our world. Embracing the future with optimism, let's utilize AI as a force for positive change, benefiting humanity in unimaginable ways. Dive deeper into the world of AI consciousness and explore the potential scenarios of AI with our recommended videos. Like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening videos as we continue to uncover the wonders of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.